Hello, welcome to Beau Hannam Guitars. I don't normally do videos like this, but I thought I should do this one really quickly just because it's such an amazing deal I'm about to show you. So at the moment STEWMAC have a deal where you can buy Honduran Mahogany necks for next to nothing. They are quarter sawn Honduran Mahogany necks. I've left a link in the description, just click on that if you want to take advantage of this deal. You can get 10 pack, they call it an overstock special, Honduran Mahogany neck blanks, and get all this for $99. That's 10 bucks a blank. It's really nice wood. That one's perfect. That's like proper quarter sawn, like dead on. So normally these are $10 each, what it comes out to be. Normally these would be like at least double that, but sometimes even triple that. So these necks, they are 1 inch thick this way, by 3 inches this way, by 24 inches. So the dimensions are perfect. Obviously you do a scarf joint, or you can buy a heel block, or you can cut these into segments and stack them, whatever. It's a really versatile way to buy necks. And doing a scarf joint's stronger and more economical, so I like scarf joint necks. So these are proper Honduran mahogany, not African mahogany, and they, oh man, they're super stiff. I've used some mahogany at like 1 inch thick and you can deflect it. But this, at least this piece I can't at all. So amazing deal, get some. I don't know how long it's going to go for. I did ask my contact at STEWMAC how long this was going to go on for, but she didn't know. It's probably just until they sell out, I suppose. But it's Monday the 8th of August today. So I've left a link in the description, just click on that if you want to take advantage of this deal. I wish I could afford to buy like 10 of these bulk packages, but I can't afford it. Does anyone want to give me $100 so I can buy another pack? So yeah, take advantage of it while you can. Bye.